Hey guys, this is Ryan with Flagship here inside of our um, flip in Lagrange, Georgia. It's a cool old manor style house that we're working on. As you can tell, it is freezing cold outside. It's about 20 degrees outside, and the AC is the last thing AC and heater is the last thing we're fixing on this thing, and so it's also about 35 degrees inside the house because the heater doesn't work. But I just wanted to walk you guys through, show you the progress. So we just refinished these hardwood floors. They were more of like an orangey type stain color before. There's still a few imperfections in the floors I couldn't get out, but it's a 100-year-old house, so it comes with the territory, but I thought they looked cool. We've got these really cool arch doorways in here. Dark trim, that was all how it came, so we didn't touch any of that. Got these cool wood windows and stuff. This is a really cool old house. I think it's gonna look great once we get done. Replaced these light fixtures, painted everything, refinished the floors. Got to get it cleaned up and everything. We rehabbed this kitchen. The cabinets were here. We just painted them, added new handles to it, new stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and a nice backsplash. I think looks good in here. I think it turned out well. We had like vinyl floors in here, so we went back with just a brown LVP to go in the kitchen. We've got the basement down there. We'll talk about that later. Got one of the bedrooms here. Again, mainly what we did inside this house. The house is actually pretty solid. We refinished floors, painted everything, new light fixtures, that kind of thing. But most of the work probably needed on the outside. Got to clean up this bathroom, but we're not doing a whole lot in here. The tub and tile are original, or how we bought it. We put in a new vanity, new light, new mirror, kind of spruce it up a little bit. Got the second bedroom here. Same stuff. We had to put in these closet doors. They were busted and broken when we first bought it. We got a leaky toilet here that wasn't leaky before, so this is new. So I've got to replace that toilet. New vanity, new lights in here, new mirror. So we're looking pretty good. It's the master bedroom. Got a really cool element to it where it's also off of a sunroom. So you're gonna walk out of the master and then chill out on your front porch. Got to clean it up a little bit, but overall looks good. We're gonna stage this house. It's gonna look really good with furniture and staging. Hallway here. And we're back to the front of the house where we started. So yeah, we're getting close with this one. Should be done in the next couple weeks. They're working on the outside on some foundation stuff. We'll go take a look at that. Here we are on the outside of 508 South Lewis. Prior to this, I had a really old roof, so we replaced the roof, and then all the trim was white before. So we've gone back and trimmed everything out black. I think it looks really cool. Added the black gutters. I needed gutters badly. We had a lot of water issues with this house, just bad roof, bad gutters. And then the foundation wall on the right side of the house had some water intrusion. So we can see a little bit of that. They're working on it now, fixing that. They've dug about 10 feet down to the ground. It's pretty cool to fix the foundation wall. So we'll have that addressed. But yeah, I think the outside looks really good. The black accents look great. And we're rocking and rolling.